Mendoza from Fantasy's Hair Salon, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques on a DIY messy updo. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my base. I'm going to grab a section starting from the top of my head, leaving my bangs out, grabbing about half a circle going downwards, getting very close to my occipital bone. I'm going to clip that hair up. I'm going to assure myself that all the rest of my bottom hair is in place. I'm going to clip that hair down as well, that way it doesn't go anywhere. And working with my top section first, I'm going to create my base by tying an elastic right where my occipital bone starts. This will be my base. I'm going to divide that section in two, and I'm going to twist it until I get to the end. Then I'm going to roll it around my base and create a bun-like. I'm going to pin as I go. Now I'm going to let my bottom section down. And I'm going to grab big sections throughout my hair from the leftover hair that I had left down. I'm going to twist it and I'm going to bring it to my base. Pin curl any excess hair if I have to. And pin it on top of my base. I'm going to do the same thing with the next section and continue doing that all throughout my hair. Feel around your hair. If you feel like any hair strand has gone loose, you can just grab it, re-twirl it, as it does not have to be perfect. Bringing this last piece back. Now with my rat tail comb, I'm going to bring any excess hair out. That way I can have an even bun all around. And I'm going to smooth anything that needs to be smooth. Great. I'm Linda Mendoza, and I just shared with you some tips and techniques on a DIY messy updo.